Mr. Speaker, the mayor, with all due respect, is my colleague during the 19th Congress. If I may name him, Mayor Akaimer Olaso, I am respectfully calling on you that please take responsibility on this incident because come to think of it, you're the chief local executive. Anyone you blame, it all boils down on you because you are the local chief executive and it is your responsibility. Furthermore, the business is, as far as my knowledge is concerned, you're a part owner of this business. And it happened 3 times already in a decade. Imagine, of all the vessels, of the many vessels, shipping vessels, traveling from Zamboanga, Basilan, Sulu,